Next episode, the storm that has been building since the troop come out of finally reach its strongest point. Eleni Danger will pull off every hidden feeling into open. Adil will no longer be able to control the fatherly love that has to awaken inside him. Auric will not no longer be able to hide the depth of his fear and love. Ismay will no longer be able to protect herself with silence. The sea will overflow and every character will catch it to a wave. Adil's journey will be most painful and he will realize that fatherhood did not to enter his life gently. It came the thunder and will fear regret and possibility of loss. He may not know how to say all the word Eleni discovered to how, but this action will speak for him. He will search, fight and risk everything because he can no lose her now, not after to learning that true or not after to feeling that missing the part of life return, or it will move the energy of a man who has no time left. Every quarrel with matter, every person who lie will become a obstacle. Every delay will feel unbearable. His love for Eleni will make to brave, but it may be also place to peace and him directly danger. Still, he will not to regret choosing her. Some love are quiet for long time, but danger come the become impossible to hide. Ismay will face the deepest emotional rocking. She will see that silence created what truly destroyed. Her heart will want to forgiveness, but the moment may not to offer it. First, there may be survival. First, Eleni must return. Only the can anyone speak about to healing. In the next episode, the story will be moved toward a turning point where love and energy to remain stand face to face. Eleni fate will decide whether the storm break the families apart forever or forces them to protect what truly matters.